पहाड़ी मुर्ग यानी पहाड़ी चिकन।
Welcome back to my channel at KiritChevli, where we cook up authentic and delicious recipes from around the world. Today we are making a very refreshing and flavorful Pahari chicken inspired by the taste of Himalayan region. In mountain region, resources are very limited, but with limited resources and ingredients, the people of mountain region, that is Pahari people, they give magical touch to their cooking. The most popular recipe is Pahari chicken. Come on, let us get started. Try it. And if you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.
Cooking with KiritChevli is an amazing experience. For ingredients and method, see description box. $375 grams onion, 150 grams tomatoes, 35 grams ginger and 10 red chillies, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, that is sabut dhaniya, 1 more tablespoon coriander seeds that we will crush, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, that is soft, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, that is jeera, 2 bay leaves and 8 to 10 laungs, that is cloves, 1 each cinnamon stick, 5 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamoms, half teaspoon black peppercorns. Take 750 grams washed and cleaned chicken. Crush 1 tablespoon coriander seeds with the help of mortar and pestle. This is crushed sabut dhaniya, that is coriander seeds. Now we will make Pahari masala powder. In a fry pan, roast 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, that is soft, 10 red chillies, 2 bay leaves, cloves and other whole spices. Roast them for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. See that masalas don't burn. Transfer to a dish and let it cool down. When masalas are cool, transfer to grinder jar. Grind to smooth powder. This is our Pahari masala powder. In a fry pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil and 2 tablespoons ghee, that is clarified butter. Add 1 inch cinnamon stick and 4 to 5 cloves, that is long. After 1 minute, add chopped onion. Saute till golden brown. It will take 8 to 10 minutes. Onion is golden brown. Add 35 grams grated ginger and 8 to 10 peeled garlic cloves. After 2 minutes, add chopped tomatoes and salt to taste, almost 1.5 teaspoon to 2 teaspoon. Tomatoes are soft. Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder and 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix well. Add cleaned and washed chicken. Mix and saute well for 5 minutes on high-medium flame. After 5 minutes sauteing, chicken has changed its color. Add 4 tablespoons Pahari masala powder, which we prepared earlier. Store remaining masala in an airtight bottle in freeze for future use. Add crushed coriander seeds to the chicken. Mix well. Add 1 cup hot water. When gravy bubbles, cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Rub 1.5 tablespoon kasuri methi, that is dry fenugreek leaves, and add to chicken. Add 120 grams whipped yogurt on low flame. Add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix well and cover the lid and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. I suggest that during these 15 minutes, check once or twice whether chicken sticks to bottom or not. If it sticks, add a splash of water. Take out 1 piece of chicken and check. It is tender. If it is not tender, cook for some more time. Turn off the gas and cover the lid and let the chicken settle for 5 minutes. Wow! Our delicious and delectable Pahari chicken is ready. Savor the taste of Pahari chicken with roti, bhakri, parotha or rice.